Ucara is a versatile, engineered wall system comprised of structural backer blocks and decorative fascia panels, providing endless design options along with practical features that make installation easy, fast, and secure. If you look closely at the fascia panels, you'll notice that the face is more refined than a traditional wall unit. This is because Ucara fascia panels are manufactured with EnduraColor, a special process that combines a strong base of larger aggregates with fine aggregates and concentrated color in the face. The result is an extremely durable unit with color that lasts. Still, you'll want to handle these units with care, avoiding any unit-to-unit contact that might scratch the surface or chip the edges. This sheeting material that you see between the layers on the bundle is there exactly for this reason, to protect the EnduraColor surface during transportation. The combination of Ucara fascia panels and backer blocks results in a single wall system that provides you with the versatility to construct seat walls, pillars, steps, fire features, water features, garden walls and planters, engineered retaining walls, and practically any other vertical hardscape feature. Ucara also allows you to construct retaining walls with matching integrated seat walls, making Ucara the ideal option when building raised patios. The Ucara modular system allows for even faster and easier installation of vertical features. These easy-to-assemble, lightweight, aluminum-framed modular cabinets provide both a labor-saving and time-saving solution for constructing a variety of outdoor living features, such as grill islands, bars, fire tables, and fireplaces. What usually would take days to build can now be constructed in only a few hours. The fact that these are aluminum makes them rust-free and light enough to easily carry into difficult access locations. The Ucara wall mount system allows for the cladding of concrete foundation walls, existing poured-in-place retaining walls, as well as cladding wooden structures such as deck skirts, cabanas, and sheds. The simplicity of this three-part system allows for rapid installation practically anywhere in your project to complete a cohesive design with the other Ucara walls and vertical features on site. For more information on the Ucara wall system or any Unilock product, please connect with one of our many knowledgeable and experienced territory managers by making a request online at unilock.com or by calling 1-800-UNILOCK.